If you are a student or you're someone who owns a 9 to 5 job, then what I'm about to teach you in this video is going to be of great value to you. I'm going to teach you how to automate your print on demand design creations for absolutely free. So what this is going to do is save you the time that it requires for you to create designs and fill up your upload slots for each day. As you know, for TPublic, you're allowed to upload at least 50 designs per day. For Redbubble, that is 60 designs. And if you're able to maximize all of this upload space every day for a full month, then you're gonna have 1,500 designs on your store. And let's say you do that for 2 months, that's gonna be 3,000 designs for your store. And 4 months is gonna be 6,000 designs. And with 6,000 designs, let's just say you make 10% of that in sales per month. So 6,000 designs times 0.1, that's like 10%. And let's say you just make 10% sales, and that's gonna be 600 sales per month on your store. And to even make things even more realistic, let's say you only sell 1% of that. So let's say 1% of 6,000, and you see that's 60 sales, and at an average of $2 per profit, let's say you get royalty of $2 per profit, that's going to be $120 per month, and that's just going to be from one store. And all of this is possible if only you are able to maximize what I'm about to teach you in this video, which is maximizing your upload, automating designs so that you can maximize your upload space per month, per day rather. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, this design here you see on my screen, I created this in a different tutorial, and they are called Boho rainbow designs. And if you want to learn how to create this kind of designs, I encourage you to check out that video where I taught you how to do this, everything from scratch. So now with these Boho rainbow designs, you can use them to scale out your designs, for different niches and different things. This is an example of how to use Boho rainbow designs for birthdays. You see 12 years of awesome, 8th to 6th birthday and all of that. You can also use this for professions. So let's say Boho, okay, let's say rainbow Boho profession. Okay, so it's gonna go ahead and show you designs. These are the designs: nurse practitioner, anthropology, counselor, and all of that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and teach you in this video is how you can use bots and use automation to fill in the slots here automatically. And without further ado, let's get started. Now the very first thing you want to do is export this image. So I'm gonna say Boho birthday template. So this is gonna be the template on which all of our wordings are gonna come on top. So that's done. Now the next thing is to come over to this site called topbubbleindex.com. Topbubbleindex.com is a free resource site for print on demand sellers, and they have a whole lot of tools for Redbubble, for Etsy, design tools, and even others. They have a blog and they have a calendar holidays to show you holidays that you can make designs for and target and make sales. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what we're going to be using today. It's called the design editor. So from here, this is where we're going to be using our automation. Now from here, I'm going to click on image/svg, and I'm going to upload this. And this is a PNG image. I recommend you use PNG so as your design to be in a transparent background, or an SVG. So from here, like I told you, the idea is to put the birthday, the years here, the age, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I'm going to do right now is come over here, click here, and click on multiple dynamic text. I'm going to drag this dynamic text here, and from here I want to choose a different font. I would like to use a different font here, a font that looks more artistic, since it's gonna be a birthday design. So I think permanent marker is okay. So from here, I'm gonna click on multiple again, and it's asking for the dynamic text, and I've gone ahead to create the different ages here from 1 to 23. and these are the texts that are going to be dynamically fitted on our design. So after this is done, all I have to do is just click on generate, and it's going to go ahead and generate those designs and place them on my template. And it's kind of what it's doing now, and you're going to see that in less than 5 minutes it's going to go ahead and create 23 designs. So you see 1 2 3 4, but I think this is shifted to one end, more of one end, and it's not occupying the entire space. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to shift this to the left a bit and make it a bit bigger. Yeah, I think this should be okay. Yeah, so I'm going to come over here to multiple again and click on generate. So this time I believe it should fit properly. So going ahead to create our designs. Yeah, this is okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, and you can see that this 13 is exceeding the space, so I'm gonna click on it and reduce it a bit so it fits right. I'm gonna save the changes. I'm gonna save the changes and this is 14. Save changes. 15, so 17. I'm gonna adjust this so it fits right. This 18. Save changes. So that's kind of how we go about adjusting this for designs that don't fit perfectly onto your template. So save changes. So 21. Now the cool thing about this tool is that it's for completely free. All you have to do is ensure you go to topbohoindex.com, create an account there. It's going to give you access to all of these tools for free. I know that there are other tools out there, but they are paid subscription tools, so you're saving a whole lot of money by simply using this tool, and you'll be doing yourself a great disservice by not harnessing the power of this tool to automatically fill up your upload slots per day. So that's that. Everything seems okay, so I'm going to click on download all photos, and that's downloaded a zip file for me. From here I'm going to right click and I'm going to extract all of this. So you see that all of this is completely real, and this is it. Just going ahead to rename our designs, and these are all transparent designs. So that's how you go about automating this design creation. I'm going to do one more and to show you that this is limitless. Now this is another design which I created, and I made a tutorial on how to create this kind of design, so I encourage you to check out that tutorial. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, also subscribe at this point. Now this is a retro sunset design for teachers, and it's kind of a design that shows when you enter the teaching profession. And what we aim at automating here is this since 2000 and whatever. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and export this template. So I'm going to come here, teacher, that's that. So I'm going to come here, close this, and from here what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on restart, and from here I'm going to upload the image again, and this time is teacher. Okay, so from here I'm gonna now click on the click on dynamic text, and here it's gonna be since 2001, and it's gonna continue that way. So this is gonna be 2002, since 2003, and since 2004. I'm gonna do this to 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. So it's up to you how you want this to come up. So okay, so I'm going to click on this multiple. Like I said, click on this. I'm going to select all of this. Now this dynamic text, when I click dynamic text, it should automatically show, but it didn't show, so I guess that was a glitch. I'm going to come again and click on multiple and click on dynamic text, and this time it has showed up. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to change the font to, let's say, Oxford. Okay, so I'm going to come here, multiple, okay, dynamic text 2 rather, yeah. So this time this should be, the color of this should be white, and let me show you why I made it white. I'm going to change the background of this, yeah. So this is it. So from here I'm just going to test this out and click on multiple. I'm going to click on generate. So let's see how this is going to come up. Okay, it's taking longer than usual, so I guess something is not right with this. I'm gonna still let it be. Okay, it's kind of one of the things about this site, especially when you're doing multiple, when you're using dynamic text, sometimes you run into these issues. Let me click on multiple dynamic text. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna click on this and delete this. I'm gonna click on this and delete this. And I'm gonna start again, multiple dynamic text, and I'm gonna change this to white. It changes to let's just say Oxford, and the multiple, the dynamic text should be this, and hopefully this should work this time. So I'm gonna click here and generate. Okay, the background color this time, okay, the background color is set at white, so I'm gonna choose black and see how this is gonna turn out. There's kind of those minor glitches you're going to win creating this kind of, when you're using these tools. So here we have it, everything is fixed since yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now is come here, and I noticed I didn't put scenes in all of these ones, so I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna put scenes in front of these ones. Okay, yeah, so there you have it. And what I'm gonna do right now is just okay, and I'm gonna generate again to see how this is gonna look. Okay, looks cool, looks very neat. So for the 2004, the scenes appears twice. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold this, and this time I'm gonna change this background back to white, so it's gonna be transparent. And from here I'm gonna click on multiple, generate, and that's that. I'm gonna download all photos, come here, change folder, I'm gonna extract all of this, and that should be, yeah, this should be the designs. Yeah, so this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. So it's looking clean, and I'm gonna go ahead and upload this to my public account so you see how it's gonna turn out. So come here, come here. So let's just take this one, select this. So I'm gonna say teacher, I'm gonna say teacher, now you can go ahead and upload all of this manually, but I made another video where I taught you how to automatically upload your designs, so that will also be very good for you if you're someone looking forward to entirely automate your print-on-demand business. So that's that for that. It's gonna go ahead and upload, and you can see I created all of this in less than 5 minutes. I mean, this is a very clean design, and it's pretty much how you go about that. So I hope you liked this video. Share this video with your friends. Let me know what you think about this. And if you haven't, I encourage you to go check out my $1 print-on-demand starter guide. That is going to teach you everything you need to know about print-on-demand. Like as you can see, we've gotten 2 5-star ratings, and I've been getting a whole lot of comments on how this guide has helped a whole lot of people. And some people told me like this is the best ebook out there, and I can tell you this is the very best ebook out there when it comes to anything print on demand. Yeah, this is it. One of the comments: I like your PDF, very consistent and productive. And there are a whole lot of people, even on our Facebook group, which I created for everyone who's going to get the course. I've been getting messages out there and helping other people like you. So if you haven't, I encourage you to join that group, get the ebook so you can join the group, and we're gonna help you out. If you have any issue, I'm gonna be helping you out personally. Peace and God bless.